Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be checking out the 5 new modern classic motorcycles for 2026. Number 5. Royal Enfield Classic 650i. The Royal Enfield Classic 650 arrives for 2026 with a clean retro design that stays true to its heritage while feeling more grown-up for modern riders. The long fuel tank, wide stance, and heavy metal presence give it a timeless look on the road that feels calm and solid, rather than flashy. It's clearly aimed at riders who want a traditional motorcycle experience but with updates that make everyday riding easier on today's US roads. Repower is provided by the well-proven 650 parallel twin, tuned for smoother power delivery and improved comfort at cruising speeds. It feels relaxed on the highway, maintains speed without effort, and reduces vibration compared to smaller models. For 2026, the Classic 650 adds modern technology without sacrificing its old-school character. You get fuel injection, dependable starting, improved braking performance in all conditions, and better suspension tuning for rough roads. Pricing is where this bike really stands out. In the US, it's expected to land between $7,000 and $7,500. That places it well below most retro-style middleweight motorcycles, while still offering a twin-cylinder engine and solid build quality. Overall, the Royal Enfield Classic 650 shows that a modern classic doesn't have to be expensive to feel honest and satisfying to ride. Number 4. Moto Guzzi V7 Sport. The 2026 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport carries a strong Italian personality that feels raw, mechanical, and purposeful as soon as you see it. Its overall shape and stance are tight and muscular, giving it a more performance-oriented character than most retro motorcycles sold in the US. It looks built for riders who value feel and connection rather than pure looks. Repower comes from the Transverse V-twin engine that has always defined Moto Guzzi. In the 2026 V7 Sport, the engine feels smoother and more responsive, especially through the mid-range. Torque arrives early, making city riding easy and highway cruising relaxed. The sideways engine layout also creates a unique sensation when rolling on the throttle, something longtime fans appreciate. The V7 Sport stands out with its rider-focused setup. Suspension tuning is firmer than the standard V7, offering better control during spirited riding. Braking feels sharp and predictable, while modern electronics like traction control and ride modes are tuned to stay mostly in the background. It feels modern without becoming digital or numb. US pricing is expected around $10,000 to $10,500. That puts it above many Japanese retro bikes. But buyers are paying for Italian engineering, a distinctive engine layout, and a more engaging riding experience. The Moto Guzzi V7 Sport is made for riders who want torque, personality, and a motorcycle that feels alive every time it moves. Number 3. Honda CB1000F. Honda CB1000F for 2026 brings back a classic big bike feel with a clean, purposeful presence suited to modern US riding. It feels like a true full-size motorcycle, wide, stable, and confident. It's aimed at riders who want substance without extreme styling. Honda keeps the design mature and simple, which works well for riders looking for everyday usability. The engine is a large inline-4 tuned more for usable power than outright track performance. Highway riding feels effortless, and passing power is always available without aggressive throttle input. This motor fits American roads perfectly, especially for riders who want comfort at speed with zero drama. For 2026, the CB1000F focuses on balance instead of overload. You get refined throttle response, modern rider aids, strong braking feel, and suspension that handles rough pavement without feeling soft. Everything works smoothly and predictably, which is exactly what many Honda riders expect. In the US, pricing is expected to be around $11,000 to $11,500. That places it in line with other leader-class standards, but Honda's reputation for reliability and lower long-term ownership costs adds real value. Insurance and maintenance also remain more reasonable than sport-focused alternatives. The Honda CB1000F is built for riders who want big engine performance, paired with everyday comfort and long-term dependability. Number 2. BMW R12. The BMW R12 for 2026 features a clean retro-inspired design that feels premium and solid without trying too hard. Its low, planted stance and wide profile give it a confident, and serious feel on US roads. It's clearly targeted at riders who want classic styling combined with modern comfort and build quality. Repower comes from BMW's Boxer twin engine, known for smooth delivery and strong low-end torque. The engine feels calm at cruising speeds and stable on highways, offering plenty of pull for relaxed riding. For 2026, the 12 Rands includes modern riding aids that improve safety and comfort without making the bike feel complicated. Throttle response is refined, braking performance is strong, and suspension tuning emphasizes stability rather than sharp handling. In the US market, pricing is expected to start around $14,000 and rise with optional equipment. That places it firmly in the premium segment, but buyers are paying for proven engineering, strong resale value, and a reliable platform. The BMW R12 is designed for riders who want a relaxed, classic experience supported by modern technology and long-term confidence. Number 1. Triumph Speed Twin 1200 Lyle. The 2026 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 strikes an ideal balance between classic attitude and everyday usability. Aimed at riders who want a strong road bike without going fully sport or fully retro, it feels compact yet serious, with a confident presence that works well on both US city streets and open highways. The engine is the star of the show. The 1002 ccs parallel twin delivers strong low and mid-range torque, making acceleration feel immediate without being overwhelming. It cruises comfortably at highway speeds and responds cleanly when you twist the throttle. This motor is tuned for real-world riding rather than lap times, which makes it enjoyable in almost any situation. For 2026, the Speed Twin 1200 benefits from refined electronics and improved overall ride quality. Throttle response is smoother, braking is strong and predictable, and suspension keeps the bike stable without feeling harsh. Rider aids are present but subtle, helping without interfering with the experience. In the US, pricing is expected around $13,000 to $13,500. That places it above many middleweight standards, but buyers are paying for a powerful engine, solid fit and finish, and Triumph's strong reputation. Maintenance costs remain reasonable for a bike in this class. The Speed Twin 1200 delivers performance and classic appeal in a package that suits everyday American riding. Lyle. Again, with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content.